normally me menje cap for blaster da but adena ye bobo na ye supporters no omwani aji.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Samre ends media and I'm going to say Samre they say unya subscribe there and your promoting say over subscribe to the channel no. Now notification baby na da hono obe me so say kurumuna or notification no at on na baby le post no unsa ebe kana baby etimi akoso kama Samre dey your Afcon season Afcon emuni away enti no baby bia about Afcon bia ends media e be bramo ama baby etimi akoso ya bra Agyemang Badu samunum na Agyemang Badu na oye former blaster player obobo pa ne ne din wako World Cup wako Afcon ya omukoi wako no kwa wako 5 times Agyemang Badu no kwa wako 5 times na eno na yetwin be bra Agyemang Badu na yedi nkomo na odi nsem bi asotodwa pa mu Chelsea ko omukoi omunkoye committed no munku omo ho no ombobo no na Ghana fo ninje even though so obobo no na uyi wakoma mu popo na wonti mi anwini kura na sa Ghana fo hu se wa popo na omu yo okay dan se oba kwetwe na na wakwa kokwasa se mebo se membo ni asa kwahyew eno kwa ne ku Ghanaians no eno futu na Agyemang Badu edema aye current black star players na omakopiem awo aye Cote d'Ivoire mu the Afcon be hyese no odi ato mo no nti ye nkoti aye bra Agyemang Badu de okan no ye ba ye beto adwuma de no so
na mama can wait to a fact to say African Cup the boy didn't say World Cup. I say they can. Nobody should disagree with him. It's a fact. Na debi aye kwa me per se me ni baby me free. National team na ye bebre ama me. Nti se me ye will players more than 4 million Ghana ha. No more you 23. Obana 23 no after 23 no 11 no more san ko yi no. O man ni nyina e de sa JS ni bi ama o se sha. You don't need president or be fro and GFA president and vice president and o ma me kwa be fro so o be motivate you. Nti wan kasa wa motivate you. Nti that is the mindset na me kwa African Cup bia and I'm sure say me colleagues need it no. E wo mutim. Nti me I don't based on that was superstition and business. I don't understand it. Me till now me tia say nti me bank say me who say okay, ha na a mistake. And e ba sa okay, you goalkeeper na a mistake. Then o ma bo shot rush. But to play a tournament from the onset, Abba could do finals. Almost face to Panyai at the baby. Meti from when you say ready at long last. I did the ever fee. Now better when you are Ivory Coast for the identical. See, I don't think a superstition. Yeah, it's just that this is not happening. Until I say gradually more pioneer this year if the University Master Sakamaya. You Kruma and the CDBI can this year, dear. Every DBI tournament here. Wow, a few way, dear, a few way, dear. But Nancy America say, you bet me a high this year. No, if you say, normally tournament on the bono, and if you World Cup qualifiers and I World Cup bono, difference you won't crack. But one thing I say, you need players who are very committed. Talent alone cannot make you a very excellent footballer. Talent without commitment, without without tough mentality. Oh yeah, then oh yeah, when we are a crana, you can't. And another one. So the talent is there. You know, for the past 3 years, you know, you have here. Say your team, no, I on balance kakra. So kind of the native military go be diabrana, a sheba connecting to our say. That is true. Apart from that, we are not scoring a lot. Say you create chances nanka intimi nse krana then one will say okay the team is doing what they're creating so chances no and intimi so we need to work here intimi create too much yenya chance ni bebre okay yenya chance ni bebre intimi create you go to number so what should we do okay you defend say on fa ball to your net on the ball so to your net so what should we do now so there is a problem small which is a fact here but normally it's a perception and a BS student in American as that, especially Eco 2010 African Cup of Nations. I've Eco G and the 20 by now. Also, more for 2 years and the 24 be a coy. They're quite unfortunately for us, and my creation Eco Prior and the senior players in the bed 3 or 4 weeks could play film. And a free team no so almost got a phone prep and the cloud with the air. Now the one go project near Drew Fandas. So normally when we are going to tournament now, and near my size is my chance kakra. But with even that, football have changed now. Because country be developed, Mali, head development or from youth level, ni even Niger no ma youth level, but be on now. That perception also, the Bama, because the one quiet tough mentality, no one your players are dedicated, no one your committed players. Now see who quality in Kwan, it will not work. And see, Sanya money in Aka. But the key issue, they say, I did have me back, they say, there is a distance between our gallant supporters and the national team. Where is that coming from? It's coming from here. Normally, me, Menje Cap or Blaster. But Adena, Yabobo, na your supporters in Omania. Because of the commitment level, no, okay, Charlie, you lose much, no, but if your boys and say then people are happy about it. And see, Ghana for no, normally they are not forcing you to see a change. I saw Bobo here and I saw Koji Kapu. They want the committed players, commitment, And where they are, and that year, Menai from Mafidi, a Koba Bibi, Minianum, we call this woman, Minianum woman, Binuan, Miss Mania, as a binum, they met Paul Macho. Ghanaians, time for so much say they should win the cup. They are excellent, but you have commitment in them. Your mom would say, even say Lusumati Krana. Yes, this is the Ghana we are all talking about. Young co supporters on any applaud and any family. Then we Roman who say yes, we are getting the supporters close to the team because the moment there's a distance between the gallant supporters and the team, then it brings a lot of problems. Meaning who are there blaster for your campaign? It will be the nation opposed to the campaign by Bianco. It have never happened. Now, then you see the commentary around the thing, and one will say, the distance is very dangerous. And see, how do you get the distance back? How do you think the next tournament, Opesoko, Campo, Germany, cry, or supporters in any page? I don't want countries. Be committed and make yourself, your family, and the nation proud. Oh, it's a generational thing, but normally, national team, you need a bit of everything inside. Well, your mentality into me, but if this is what you think you can do for that 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, just do it for the nation. I think there's a lot where they can do more than what they are doing. That is a fact. There are some so more chance now they will do that. That is a fact. But when after 2 days now, no, you can't. So near what is here, no, they should be committed. Near kind of for the past 2 years, you know, say like what we are expecting from them.
Exactly.
It's not only me. It's the Ghana supporters, anything the distance and between the supporters near you for. What them the can say? They don't put pressure on us to change but they just want to see that kind of feeling or if you are getting where I'm coming from. Lose much, but Charlie and Krano, I'm a opponent in watching. Yeah, but much you come. I forgot the country. You come so much 1-0 and I don't believe so it was a Yukaka. I buy near you, Charlie, and they go money match with Kuma. 20 minutes near the focus at home. I'm more pie at our park and also say the goals are too much. Wow. Miano, man, feel comfortable the first 20 minutes, and he thinks that he can play with Ghana. So what they do is the teams now what they do with us, they say teams now Omunidino. Oba Onobe started first 20 minutes trick. They know they are afraid of the name Ghana, no. And some quality of player they are afraid. But after 20 minutes, man who say no, sir, you are doomed. Then now Ghana quiet in first 20 minutes, don't allow them. Just go on them, take the ball from them on their half. 2 passes, you are in their box. Then you keep pressing them, intimidate you more, not and frustrate you more. Then you take control of the game, and you are done with this small things. But after 25 minutes, then he thinks, okay, Ghana, no. We will force them to play this way. Then they will take control. Then the pressure will come. Then you start making mistakes. And it's a problem. But I hope after some years, now team knows, even with this campaign issue, I think some more camp they know say Charlie. Our Ghana supporters are not happy with us. What should we do now? Let's be committed and make them proud. And I know they will do it. But the issue is, you mentioned the name of me and my colleague Andre there. You say he has that kind of character, and he is still the captain. So I know say he might be doing it. The kind of they didn't mean him no. I know say he might be doing the boys in the cast. I want to say been free Europe nearby. The culture, the mentality, the piano, so it will take a bit of time for some of them to adjust to one or two things to be. And see, the kind of leader now more, he's been experienced, the 8th or 7th African Cup now, he's well experienced. Our ball matches will be a lot of goals. I'll call African Cup, I captain from the under 20 or the Koji Cup now. So he might be talking to the guys, say, guys, we are coming to Ghana. This is Ghana. This is how the supporters want us. This is how we need to play. Just give your all, and the supporters will love you. Kroma, Oba, if you give your all, this country, the kind of love you will get from Yempanyinfo, Yemkula, Yemamenom. Oba, some years back, African Cup will be a cast on a flag for pin motus, I want that back, but per se, it's me first African Cup issue. Then we get the love from our Ghana supporters to be closer to the team. How long I am a problem? No, to be a bit closer to the team. Now, and yes, one more time, they think say we can do more than this. And see, I pay more pay them. And see, I am if they mistaken is oh, or more agile my or more fire. No, when you love somebody and he make a mistake, you become a bit angry about it. But it doesn't mean you won't pay them. See, I don't think say captain and be in the camp. The captain is well experienced, and I know so. Yes, I am. Overteam will be do semi-finals. I trust in the team. Many people Edim Komo, which they give me assurance that they will do everything. They will kill themselves this time to make themselves proud, their family and the nation. Now, 27 players so and we are praying for them. We are hoping say a good day as usual. Football a wait man a good day. Even a bad day, Krana and 10 to goals and my and 20 to lack myself. Inaki ana Semenyo ana Bukari ana Kudusno and then we pick it from there. The technical team also the Empire Bonnie question show money. It should be very bold. If you feel say this is the kind of player he will make you proud. Wankasa, he will make the nation proud. He will make the FA proud. He will fight for the bad nation. He will fight for the JS. He will fight for himself. He wants to win something for the nation. Put him there. That is what we need from them.
Fantastic.
We are praying for them. We will talk to them, and I'm